Title: Loading the Wagon of Life, an Ethical Journey. Ladies and gentlemen, today, I invite you to reflect on the journey of life, symbolized by Rumi's poem, A Great Wagon. Our lives are like wagons, carrying us through various experiences, relationships, and choices. The question is, what are we loading onto our wagons? Rumi advises us to load our wagons with good deeds, good words, and good intentions. These are the qualities that will lead us towards a life of purpose, compassion, and wisdom. When we cultivate kindness, generosity, and selflessness, we create a ripple effect of positivity in the world. However, Rumi also cautions us against loading our wagons with bad deeds, bad words, and bad intentions. These are the things that can weigh us down, harm others, and lead us astray. Let us be mindful of the harm caused by injustice, cruelty, lies, gossip, and selfishness. As we journey through life, let us prioritize ethical doings and strive for moral excellence. Let us load our wagons with empathy and understanding, truthfulness and integrity, selflessness and compassion, wisdom and discernment. By doing so, we will create a life of meaning, purpose, and fulfillment. We will become the best version of ourselves, and inspire others to do the same. In conclusion, let us remember Rumi's wisdom and load our wagons with the good, the true, and the beautiful. Let us embark on this ethical journey together, and create a world of kindness, compassion, and wisdom. Thank you.